Unpacking and basic settings of the 3-phase voltage relay Zuber 3F. Zuber 3F is designed to protect household and industrial equipment, including 3-phase electric motors from high and low voltage. The device monitors the sequence of phases and switches off the load when the asymmetry occurs. To control 3-phase equipment, a contactor for the required power must be used. Inside the original box there is an instruction. Here are the electrical and assembly wiring diagrams, a warranty card, and a description of the settings. Additionally, the box includes a sticker with the abbreviations of the menu items, which can be pasted inside the panel. The warranty for the Zuber voltage monitoring relay is 5 years from the date of purchase. Zuber 3F has 3 screens that show the voltage for each phase. Let's take a closer look at the case itself. The voltage relay occupies 3 modules on a DIN rail. The device is edged with a barcode, basic technical parameters, and a unique serial number. The device is made of polycarbonate of flammability class V0. That's the best plastic according to fire protection requirements. All Zuber relays measure voltage with high accuracy thanks to the true RMS algorithm, which filters out the excess interference in the network. Setting up the relay begins with setting the lower and upper voltage limits. The voltage relay works according to the cut-off principle. When it goes beyond the limits, it instantly switches off the load. You can use the menu button to view the alarm log. You will know about all cases when Zuber tripped due to exceeding the established voltage limits. Next, it is important to see the delay time for turning on the load after an accident. It is important for extending the life of compressor equipment, such as a refrigerator. Other advanced settings can be left at the factory default and used if necessary. Thus, for reliable protection of your equipment, recommend installing a Zuber voltage relay. The fast response speed, quality, and reliable operation of the devices were highly appreciated by professional electricians. Zuber voltage monitoring relay for professionals.